Namaste children, welcome to Radio. In today's video we will learn chapter number 6 vegetable farm from your mathematics textbook Joyful. Vegetable farm. Rumi and Shami helped each other taking out vegetables from the field. Each of them took a basket and plucked the vegetables. Let's see how many vegetables they both took out. So in Rumi's basket there are 7 tomatoes and in Shami's basket there are 5 tomatoes. So altogether that makes 12 tomatoes. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Second one, 9 carrots in one basket and 4 carrots in another basket. So if you add 9 plus 4 is equal to, you get 13. Then see 8 radishes in one basket and 8 radishes in another basket. 8 plus 8 is? Yes, 8 plus 8 is 16. Next one is a small project book. Plant any vegetable sapling at your home, school or nearby place. Share your experiences with your family and take care of the sapling. You may draw or take picture of the growing sapling. This you can do at home or school. Beads and mala. Let's play. How can you add 12 and 4 on Gimladi? I count 12 beads first and now I am counting 4 more. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Show how you can add these numbers on Gimladi. 13 plus 4. So we'll start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13. 13 plus these red beads are 10 in numbers. Then we added another 3. After that became 13. Further we added 4 more and we got 17. Similarly 14 plus 5, 10 red beads plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more white beads, we got 14. Then if we add another 5, we'll get 19. Next one, 6 plus 8. So we'll count 6 from here from the start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have to add 6 plus 8. First we have to count 6. Then we will add 8. With that we will get 14. Then next one is 5 plus 7. So first we will count 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that we have to add 7 more. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Hop and find the sum. So look at the number box. It has numbers from 1 to 20. Now listen carefully. Start from the first number in the addition. Hop forward to the next number. So one example is given here. 8 plus 5. So if you start hopping from 5, 8, and if you hop 5 steps forward, you will get 13. Next one is 13 plus 3. So you have to start hopping from 13. If you hop 3 steps forward, you will get 13, 14, 15, 16. So 13 plus 3 is 16. Next one is 2 plus 16. So you have to start hopping from 2. How many steps forward? 16 steps. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you will reach 16, 17, 18. You will reach your 18. Now next one is 4 plus 12. So you have to start hopping from 4 and how many steps you have to hop? 12 steps. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So where will you reach? You will reach on 16. 4 plus 12 is 16. Next one is also given 5 plus 3. If you start hopping from 5, 3 steps forward, you will reach on 8. So to get 13, how you have to hop? There are different combinations possible. We will try one. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. Then to get 10, you can use 6 plus 4. That will give you one combination. Another one is 5 plus 5 or 8 plus 2. There are so many combinations possible here. Next one is 18. So simple 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Other combinations are also possible. 10 plus 8 is 18. 2 plus 16 is 18. 3 plus 15 is 18. So many combinations are possible here. Add in your own way. Sapna has 12 colored pencils and Gauri has 6 colored pencils. How many pencils do they have in all? So Sapna counted 12 and 6 more and she got 18. So 12 plus 6 is 18. So addition means joining numbers to find out how many in total. So Gauri did it as 12 plus 6, 10 plus 2 plus 6, 10 plus 8. These are different combinations to get number 18. So can you do it differently? Yes, you also can do it differently. 9 plus 9 is 8. 13 plus 5 is 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. Try and discuss with your teacher. Aman has 8 laddus and Charanjit bought 6 laddus. How many laddus are there in all? So 8 plus 6 is 14. Sheena has 12 bangles. She got 6 more from her sister. How many bangles does she have now? So 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. Let's do. What would you like to bring for the picnic? Discuss with your friend. Draw the things you would like to take to the picnic and write the total number of eatables in the space provided. So what are the things you like to take for the picnic? Yes, some fruits. So there are 2 apples, 3 bananas, 5 guavas, 8 strawberries and 2 bottles of water. So if we add all this together, what will we get? 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 20. So next one, subtract with some more numbers. There are how many bananas are here? See, in each set there are 3 bananas. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So altogether 15 bananas are here. So somebody ate 9 bananas from that. So what is left? 15 minus 9 is 6. This is subtraction. Similarly, here 10 blocks are here, 16 blocks are here. So took out 4 blocks. So what is left? 16 minus 4 is 12. Then next one is 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then 14 minus 7. If you take out 7 from 14, then what is left? Yes, 7. Then 16 minus 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. Then 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5 is 10. 15 minus 0. Nothing is left out, taken out. So that will be 15 only. Then 17 minus 9, that is 8. Then 13 minus 3, that will give you 10. Hop and jump. Anjali and Renu are playing by hopping and jumping. So look at Anjali and Renu, they are playing on a number strip. Anjali, I am jumping 2 steps ahead from 6. So Anjali says, I am jumping 2 steps ahead from 6. Now let's hop together. If Anjali steps from 6, 2 steps ahead, she will land on 6, 7, 8. 8. Then Renu says, I am jumping 7 steps back from 15. So if when Renu starts jumping from 7 steps back from 15, then she also will reach. Let's see where she will reach. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she also will reach on 8. So both of them reached on the same number 8. So different jumps, same answer. Let us do. Now it's your turn. Make a number strip in the playground or at home and find the different ways by which you can reach to the same place. Add, subtract and match. So what you have to do? You have to jump, hop forward to add and jump backward to subtract. See how many ways you can reach the same number. Now let us solve this problem. We have addition on one side and subtraction on the other side. First solve the sums. 8 plus 7 is? Yes, 15. 9 plus 9 is? 9 plus 9 is 18. 10 plus 2 is 12. 6 plus 1 is 16 plus 1 is 17. 11 plus 3 is 14. On the right side we have 15 minus 3. Which number you will get? Yes, you will get 12. 18 minus 1, you will get 17. 17 minus 2, you will get 15. 18 minus 0, 18. 16 minus 2, 14. So now we have to match the sums and subtractions that give the same number. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Then 18 minus 0 is also 18. Then 10 plus 2 is 12. Then on the reverse right side we have 15 minus 3 is, that will give you 12. Then 16 plus 1 is 17. Then 18 minus 1 is, yes, 18 minus 1 we will get 17. Then 11 plus 3 is 14. Then 16 minus 2 is 14. Problem stories. Write your answers in the boxes. A potter had 9 diyas. He sold 5 diyas. Then he made 7 more diyas. How many diyas does he have now? So he had 9 diyas. How many diyas he sold? 5. So what we have to do here? We have to subtract 5 from 9. So we will get 9 minus 5 is 4. Then he made 7 more diyas. So what we have to do? We have to add 7 with 4. So how many we got? 11. So how many diyas does he have now? Yes, he has got 11 diyas in his hand. So we will write 11 here. Next one. B. 6 children sit in the bus at the first stop. At the second stop, 8 more children board the bus. 7 children get down at the third bus stop. How many children are there in the bus at the third stop? Here also, first let us add 6 with 8. So 6 plus 8 is 6 plus 8 equals 14. So at the third stop, 7 children get down. So what we have to do here? Yes, we have to subtract. So 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. 6 plus 8 is 14. Then we will subtract 7 plus 7 from the 14. Then we will get 7. So only at the end, how many children are there in the bus? 7 children. See, there are 18 seats in a bus. If 9 children are already sitting in it, how many more children can sit inside the bus? So 18 seats. 18 minus 9 is 9. So we'll write the answer 9. Next, Kuljit got 14 toffees in her box. She shared few toffees with her friends. She was left with 6 toffees. How many toffee did she share with her friends? So what we have to do here? We have to subtract 6 from 14. So what will be the answer? Yes, you will get 8. Raman got 12 bananas and ate a few of them. He is left with 5 bananas. How many bananas did he eat? So how many bananas he ate? So what we have to do? We have to subtract 5 from 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So children, today we learned how to solve problem stories. We read the question carefully and looked for clues. When we got more, we added, and when some things were taken away, we subtracted. We used numbers to help the porter, children on the bus, toffees, bananas and seats. So maths help us in our daily life. So read slowly, think clearly and solve happily. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care.